Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'm gonna do a comparison of water draining on both OPPO Watch X2 and HUAWEI Fit 4. So I have OPPO on my left side and the HUAWEI on the right side. First, the OPPO, turn it on and then scroll from the top and search for water drain and click it. Now shake your watch with the left side of it pointing down, and that's how you drain water from it. And now the HUAWEI, so it's kind of the same. Now we shake the hand. Okay, so the OPPO is definitely quieter. The HUAWEI is much louder, and I feel on my hand like the OPPO is vibrating more. So yeah, it may be that it's draining battery better. But that's just how I feel. You may be having different preferences, so it's for you to decide. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.